Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can set up DARKTunnel VPN in all countries for a fast connection, a secure connection, and a stable connection. So if you're new on this YouTube channel, consider subscribing, sharing this tutorial with your friend. And in case you get any problem with the setup, let me know in the comment section. I'll give you your countries, UDP, V2Ray, and WebSocket settings. In this tutorial particularly, I'm going to be looking at the V2Ray settings. So start by opening Google, but Google Play Store. Then you're going to get this application, which is DARKTunnel. This application is DARKTunnel. Don't forget to subscribe, like the tutorial, and share. DARKTunnel SSH DNSTT, then V2Ray. Then search for this application. It is DARKTunnel as you see it. Download this application in your device and then after open it. Now this tutorial is for research, information, education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. So this is how you're going to set this application. So first things first, we are going to come in the top right corner onto those three dots, and then we check onto them, and then I'm going to be setting up the tunnel type. In this case, the tunnel type, we're going to look at V2Ray, but in particular the VMS. So keep the eyes on the screen as you like the tutorial and share. So how I'm going to get the VMS? First of all, I'm going to come to the home screen, and then I'm going to come to Google, but Google Chrome. And then once I open Google Chrome, I'm going to come and then search for first SSH, then go. So we're going to select this website, which is firstssh.com. And then once this website opens up, try to zoom in and then select the V2Ray servers. So for these V2Ray servers, this is how you're going to set them up. Give it some few seconds so that this page can be able to load, and then we're going to be looking at the V2Ray NL first. Come and check on to create V2Ray account. Now we're going to try to zoom in a little bit, and then first of all, we're going to first start by viewing a short ad. Then after watching that short advert, come and then confirm that you're not a robot by checking this box, and then you're going to put in your username. Once that box receives a tick, in this case we shall use Tech 7080, and then you're going to come where you see SNI/bug host, and then put in your country's SNI. So if you don't have this SNI, let me know in the comment section. Just comment your country and network and leave everything to me. I'm going to drop for you your country's SNI. And then after, you're going to come to this button, which is create account, this button, and then tap onto it. Tap onto it, and then let us tap. Then after, scroll up, but make sure that this verification box is on. Then after, you'll be seeing this account being created successfully. So after, you're going to come where you see copy, and then after copying, it will be copied to clipboard. You're going to go back to your home screen, and then once you go to your home screen, look for DARKTunnel application from Google Play Store. As we downloaded it, then open, and then after, you're going to come in the top. You're going to come in the top right corner on those dots, and then after, check config. Then you're going to select import, and then choose clipboard. Then come and check OK, and then it will be imported successfully to your application. Then after here where you see server name identification, you're going to put in an SNI from your country. And if you don't have that, as I told you earlier, let me know in the comment section. I'll be providing you with that SNI. Just comment your country and the network. And then after, you're going to come and then press connect. After, you're going to press OK, and then the connection will be established. And then that is it. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Marustek and I sign out. As you see, mine is already connected successfully. As you see, let us meet in the next tutorials. I'm Marustek and I sign out.